वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We'll see this directly from the other part we did not chant today. So in the last class, I asked you to complete this table. This table is very useful. All the sandhis are covered. Since we talk about Ach Sandhi, so therefore this table covers all the possibility, except the special optional rule. Okay, let me summarize quickly. What are the sandhis we have seen? For this Swara Sandhi, we need to know the Pratyaharas Ach, Ak, Ik, H, Eng, all the letters, all the Pratyaharas must be very clear. So, these are the Pratyaharas we use. Ach, Ak, Ik, H and Eng. When Ak is followed by Savarna Ak, then Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. When Ik is followed by Ach, Ik is replaced by N Sandhi. So, N also another Pratyahara, need to know what is N. Ik has got 4 letters, N also has got 4 letters, therefore corresponding replacement. And when Avarna is followed by Ik letter, then Purva Para both will be replaced by the Guna letter, corresponding Guna letter. When Avarna is followed by H, then both will be replaced by corresponding Vriddhi, that is called Vriddhi Sandhi. When H is followed by Ach, H will be replaced by Ayava Yava. H has got 4 letters. Ayava Yava also has got 4. So corresponding replacement. Then if it is Padanta Yeng followed by Rasva Akara, Rasva Avarna, then Purva letter will replace both. What is a Purva? Yeng is a Purva. Purva means first. The last letter of the first word is called Purva. And the first letter of the following word is called Para. So Purva will replace both the Purva and the Para. That's called Purva Rupa Sandhi. And the special optional rule for Ayadi Sandhi, that is rule number 5 is This ayava, yava, we said, that's I, av, I, and av. All these are ending with yakara and vakara. The four adeshas, ayava, yava, ending with yakara, vakara. I, av, av. So if this, when it replaces the H letter, and if it is the padanta, yakara or vakara, if it happens to be at the end of the padam, preceded by avarna, preceded by avarna only, because I, when you say yakara preceded by a, I, when you say yakara preceded by a, so avarna is akara, akara, both rasva and dirgha. Similarly, av and av, so padanta yakara vakara preceded by avarna. In this case, the adeshas ending with yakara and preceded by avarna. Therefore, when this is followed by ash letter, so ash is another pratyahara which you need to know. When followed by ash pratyahara, then this yakara becomes lopaha optionally. Yakara lopaha bhavati vikalpena. So therefore, you have, since lopa happens optionally, therefore you have two forms. This ayadi sandhi, you will have two forms. So this is the rule. Then we say padanta yakara vakara. Okay, I don't want to say further and confuse you, but understand this much. Padanta yakara vakara preceded by avarna. That is, that whenever this ayadi sandhi is applied, there you have to watch this, whether the purvam is a padam. In the purvam, that ekara, aikara, okara, aukara, when it is replaced by this adeshas, ayava, yava, look for that whether it is a padam. If it is a padam, then it is padanta yakara or vakara preceded by avarna. Then see what is the following letter in the parapadam. What is the first letter you see? If it is ash, then you can apply this optional rule. And the option rule says that yakara vakara disappears. Lopaha bhavati vikalpena, optionally. So you can apply that. So this is the special option rule is for the rule number 5, which is what you see generally applying in all the text you will see. The special option rule being applied. So these are the 6 plus 1, 7 rules we have seen so far. There are many more rules. We will see one by one. Understand all of you after this, what I said?
Yes, Guruji.
Now, in the last class we started doing this homework. Homework is for home, work in the home, work from home. But we do it in the class now because we have some problem with regard to that. So I think up to this we saw then adharo dikaranam. Now we have to start from Taru plus upeta. Taru plus upeta we can leave out. We'll start from here. Abhyaso plus atra. Okay. So each one of you can take four. This joining the words, and we'll work. First is Padmaji. Abhyaso plus atra.
Abhyaso plus atra. This is we can take. Can you hear me? We can take the exception. I'm not sure. Which becomes abhyasotra with avarga. Abhyasotra, that is savarna. Abhyasotra is not. It's purva rupa sandhi, right?
How do you do it? Abhyaso plus atra.
Because this, see, I was thinking it was first Yantavanta, but remember you said sometime the so, I mean, oh God, is it that I don't know.
It is
That I was
Yantavanta.
little.
It is Ayadi.
Yantavanta. If it is Yantavanta, it is Abhyasavatra. I thought, but I was a little bit confused because somewhere I thought, sometimes the special rule applies that, Okaram, it can be like Abhyasaha. That's where I got a confusion. So
Okay,
that's what, sorry.
Abhyaso plus Atra. Abhyaso plus Atra is equal to O plus A. Okay, all of you listen. So when we see Sandhi, you have to see only the last letter. Last
Okay.
letter is
O.
Please listen to me.
Okay, sorry.
Just listen. Abhyaso plus Atra, when we say only the last letter, which is Okara, last letter of the first word, and the first letter of the following word, which is Akara. So O plus A. Your focus only should be on this, not on the other preceding letters. It doesn't play any role. This is Sandhi, it is Sandhi between the two letters, Purva and Para. Purva is the last letter of the Purva Padam, or Purva Shabda, whatever it may be, and the first letter of the following word. This meeting is called Sandhi, where only change happens. But don't bother about what follows in the Purva, the Parapadam, or what precedes the Purva Padam. It doesn't play any role. There's no significance to it. So, Abhyas plus O. O is the last letter of the Purva Padam. And the first letter of the following Padam is A. You practice like this, then Abhyas plus O plus A. O plus A is that these are in contact. What happens when these are in contact? That is what you have to see. Abhyas plus O plus A. You have to do like this, step by step. Your problem, you have to do like this.
Okay.
I'm doing like step by step, like we teach kids, but you have to do like this in the beginning till you understand. Then O plus A is O is what letter? Is it not a H letter? Yes, it is H, followed by Avarna, followed by H. A is H letter. So H followed by H. So H letter followed by H. H followed by H. So what will happen? Ayadi Sandhis are like H followed by H. H will be replaced by Ayava Ayava. And here H letter is O. So O will be replaced by Av. So Abhyas plus Av plus A plus Ra. So you get, so therefore you get Abhyasavatra. Just joining, after that joining, this is not a big thing. Abhyasa plus Makara plus A, Vatra. Abhyasavatra. Abhyas plus A, Sakara plus A, Sa. And Vakara plus A, Va. So Abhyasavatra. This is one. This is one form. Let me mark this. This is one. Then we said the special optional rule where we said if H, if it is a Padanta H, okay, if it is a Padanta H letter, Padanta H, H means A, O, I, O. If it is A, it will be replaced by I. If it is I, it is replaced by I. If it is O, it is replaced by O. If it is O, it is replaced by O. So, anyway, the Adesha in the place of Ach will be ending with Yakara or Vakara, preceded by A or A. Understand this?
Yes.
So, when I say it means I is the Adesha for A is the Adesha for I, and Av is the Adesha for O, and Av is the Adesha for Av. Okay. Av is the Adesha for O, and Av is the Adesha for Av. So now, if it is a Padam, I said, if it is a Padam, then this Yakara Vakara must be a Padanta Yakara Vakara. Padanta Yakara Vakara, preceded by this Avarna, the letters A or A, followed by, if it is followed by Ash letter, if it is followed by Ash letter, Ash means which includes the vowels and the soft consonants, then this Yakara Vakara become Lopaha optionally. Now we have to see whether this condition is applied here. Here, the word Atra is a Padam. It is a Padam. It's an Abhyaya Padam. If this is a Padam, Abhyasa must also be a Padam only. If Atra is a Padam, then Abhyasa must be a Padam only. When a couple is there, male is married, the husband is married, what about the wife? She also must be married, right? Married to the same person. If one is married, other also married. So if one is a Padam, what is left out is the other one. Other also must be a Padam only. So, therefore, applying this Ayadi Sandhi, Abhyas plus Av, now the Vakara is there. What Vakara is there? What Vakara is this?
Padanta Vakara.
You have to recognize this Vakara as a Padanta Vakara. First, you have to see that as a Padanta Vakara. You see this as Padanta Vakara. Preceded by what letter? Avarna, Akara is there. Followed by what? Followed by Ash letter, which is A is an Ash letter. So, therefore, this Vakara goes away optionally, right? This Vakara goes away optionally. So, therefore, you get Abhyasa Atra. Yes or no? This is right or wrong?
Right.
It's right.
Yeah, by the optional rule.
Optional rule.
How many of you say it is right?
I said
right or wrong?
It's right.
right.
What about Premiraji? Is it right or wrong?
It is right.
It's right. Okay. Rajakumarji. Rajaji.
Yes, Guruji, it's right.
Okay. Srutiji.
Yes, Guruji, it's right.
Oh, really? Everybody says right and I'm wrong probably.
Abhyasa Atra.
Please think
Oh,
and
I think
please think and tell. It's right or wrong. Lata Sundaramji, is it right or wrong?
Abhyasa.
So, oh.
Kausalyaji, right? You said right, no?
Yeah, I said it's right.
Abhyasa plus Atra.
Okay. If this is right, then let me ask you this. Okay. This page number is. If this is right, then you tell me when do you apply this rule, rule number 6?
Purvarupa Sandhi.
Purvarupasandhi.
When do you apply that? If Abhyaso plus Atra, if you apply Ayadi Sandhi and also you apply special option rule, you apply, you get the forms, Abhyasa Vatra or Abhyasa Atra, then you tell me when do you apply this rule?
It's not aing. It's
Really?
not a.
It is not. It is Abhyasa is not a young letter. O is not a young letter.
It is Aing letter.
Aing letter.
A and O.
Plus A.
I have the same question.
Followed by the Padam which is beginning with Rasva.
Padant.
Right?
Followed.
Yeah.
Then if you don't apply this, you tell me when do you apply this rule then? You can
I
never
think
apply this
it's
rule.
a
You have
Padam.
not any scope to apply this rule. Right? Understand?
G, what you're saying is correct, but I think so 3 will be applied in Anikran. Linglanji. Ayavasandhi and Purva Rupa Sandhi, and also this optional is also accepted.
Ayadi Sandhi and
Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Purvarup.
this is called Purva Rupa.
Yes. And this option is also
Purva Rupa.
accepted because it applies for 3 also.
Applies for 3. Okay, let me ask you, what is the relation between these two rules? We have seen this very clearly before. Okay, I will ask more simplified way. What is Yang? Yang is a subset of H.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Yang is a subset of H. Okay.
H.
And Rasva A is a subset of H.
Ach.
Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Yes. So number 6 is covered by number 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Why
Yes.
number 6 is to be given?
The key is Padanta
Already
H.
given, covered
Yang.
by 5. Why number 6 is?
It has to be Padanta Yang.
Padanta.
Padanta Yang is
Here,
followed.
do we mention Padanta H or Apadanta H?
There also ellame Padanta.
No, in the exception rule there is Padanta.
In the exception, it is Padanta. That's the word we need. It is
Padanta.
exception, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
It is exception. What is exception? When general rules are applied, when there is an exception, the exception overrules the general rule. All the people should be given apple, but the person who is wearing white and white, he must be given orange. Now, you tell me, to the brahmachari or brahmacharani is having white and white, will you give apple or orange?
Orange.
Orange.
Why don't you give apple?
Because it was specified clearly.
That is what here also. Therefore, number 6 is apavada, exception to number 5. So
Okay.
you should be open. You should be open and see what are the possibilities. What is apavada you have to see. Number 6 being apavada. Therefore, coming back to that example, abhyaso, that's why I said you have to see whether this is a padam. When I say padam means, and padam also this, the following padam beginning with rasva a. Therefore, you cannot apply number 5. In the beginning, number 5 is ruled out. So,
Okay.
whatever you said up to this, it is gone, it is not proper. Number 5, that is Ayadi Sandhi is not applied. When Ayadi Sandhi is not applied, then special option rule cannot be applied at all, ruled out.
No.
Yes.
So what is applicable only is
Purva.
Rupa. So Abhyaso, O Padanta Eng. This is Padanta Eng. Followed by the Padam beginning with Rasva Akara. So Purva Rupa Sandhi is applied. Therefore, Purva form is O
Yeah.
will
So
replace both. Therefore, Akara also
no akara.
goes away, not there. And the Akara is, elided Akara is represented by this Avagraha. This is
Avagraha.
understand,
Yes.
Padmaji?
Yes.
This requires little thinking, not too much thinking. Too much thinking will come later. This is only a little thinking. So this Purvarup Sandhi, you have to remember this very clearly. Purvarupa Sandhi is Apavada to Ayadi Sandhi.
Yeah, this one.
Having done lot of examples, you should remember this. Purvarupa Sandhi, we have done, I think Sandhi exercise has been going on for many classes. Only one Sandhi for each class we have seen so far. So Purvarupa Sandhi overrules Ayadi Sandhi.
Sandhi.
Purvarupa Sandhi overrules Ayadi Sandhi, and a special optional rule is applicable only when Ayadi Sandhi is applied, not otherwise. Clear?
Thank you, Ji.
Okay,
Only we
Surya.
have understood.
Now, all of you said yes, 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 this is right. Then I'm wrong. I have to. I don't know what to do now. How to make you? I mean, how to present to make you understand.
Swamiji, I had the same question. I was thinking the same because in my homework I have written Abhyaso Atra.
Very good.
Uh,
You could have said.
and then I was thinking is O followed by A should be Avagraha. And you said this Ayadi Sandhi, so I was confused.
I will confuse, but you have to. You should not be confused.
No, I was confused. I was thinking I'm wrong.
This is
So I
called
skipped
Jnani
mom.
Nikanan Nyaya, shaking the pole. You know, when you erect the pole, the street lamp you see, the lamp is no lamp post. First they put it and then shake it. If it shakes, then you tap on the head. Again you shake it, you tap on the head. So you have to tap on the head of the post till it is becomes unshakable. So, like that. So this
Guruji,
I will
can we all say tuch?
huh? What's that?
For what we said earlier, can we all say tuch?
I didn't get it.
I
For the
mean,
wrong
in Telugu, it's like tuch means it didn't happen. It's like, okay, we will start again.
Yeah.
Like that.
I have to tap it again. Tap on the head. We can speak again.
Yes.
Okay, the next one, Padmaji. Loke plus atra.
That is Purva Rupa San.
Is it clear?
Sandhi.
Why not Ayari Sandhi?
This is because this one, the Padanta is followed by A, Swara. So it's
Padanta.
obvious.
What is Padanta? What is it?
Not Padanta. I mean, that is Purva Rupa. Sorry, I'm using the wrong word. That Purva Rupa is Ekaram, Loke Ekaram, the Antam, followed by Ach letter A. So the rule says when A at the end of the word is followed by A, both letters, and it gains the word and that avarga. See, I kind of know, but I'm not able to explain clearly that. So even the previous, I had put Purva Rupa, but I'm not able to explain. It's just
So you have to be familiar
mechanic.
with the terms. First, you have to be familiar with the pratyahara, familiar with the terms, then padam, avagraha. So you have to listen to the class again and again, so that you are familiar with the way I use the words.
Okay.
That orientation, that again listening to that and tuning to that is required. It takes some time, but it must come. So loke plus artha. You see how I explain this. Loke, purva padam ending with a. A is yang letter. It's a padam. How do I know it's a padam? Okay, if I don't know loke as a padam, you see the following word. Atra is a padam. Therefore, this must be a padam.
Yes.
So
Padam.
a is yang letter. So purva padam ending with yang letter, followed by the padam which is beginning with rasva akara. Therefore, this is exception to ayadi sandhi. Even though ayadi sandhi is applicable, ayadi sandhi says h letter followed by ach letter. Ayadi sandhi, ayava sandhi. That adesha will come. But exception is if it is the yang letter, padanta yang followed by the padam beginning with rasvakara, then purva will replace both. That is exception. So exception overrules, takes dominance, precedence over the general rule, ayadi sandhi. Therefore, lok plus a plus a plus tra will be a plus a. A plus a is ayadi sandhi. You should not see this alone and say ayadi sandhi. No. What is atra you have to see? Atra is padam. And therefore, loke is also a padam. So, ye is padanta ye. Padanta ye is padanta ye. See, you have to keep repeating like this so that you will be used to the words what we use. So, loke, then ye is replaced by, a is not replaced, sorry, a plus a is, both are replaced by a. So, a plus tra. What happened to the akara? Akara is replaced by a. That elision of yakara, that elision of yakara is, the elision of yakara is written like this. This is called avagraha. So loke tra. Okay. And loke is a padam. But also you can easily understand. Loke is saptami vibhakti ekavakti.
Yes.
So Rama Shabda and Loka Shabda must be known. Loke, Rame, Ramayogo, Rameshu. Loke, Lokayogo, Lokeshu. Loke is padam. Okay. Now, okay. I think next person.
Okay.
I'm going to explain or not all the examples, as many examples as possible. So you need to pick up now. So next person, Rajeshwari. Bratru plus Ukta. Please do this.
Bhatru plus Ukta. I stuck here in this word only because I think this is
Okay, you tell me.
like
I will ask you a question.
Yana Sandhi.
Okay. What is the last letter of the Purapada?
It's tra, ra.
Okay.
So I feel it's patrakta.
Okay. I'll ask you, you can answer. What is the first letter of the following pada?
Is u.
U. So now Sandhi is between?
Ru plus u.
Yes, U plus U. Now, Rikara is what letter?
It's like a Yana Sandhi, I'm thinking.
That's right, but Rikara is what letter? Yan Sandhi means you remember the rule immediately. What
Yes.
letter is that?
Is a ik.
Very good, that's what I want. Ik letter.
Ik letter.
E, U,
And
R,
followed by asavarana H.
Yes. Asavarana
H.
H. Yes. If it is not Dr followed by U, therefore what will happen?
What?
That ik letter will be replaced by
Ar.
ik
Ra.
letter will be replaced by think and tell. Rajeshwari.
Ra.
Yan Sandhi. Why should be replaced by Ar?
Refa.
No, I mean ra, refa. Half ra.
Yes. Repa.
Yes,
Right?
refa.
One letter.
It is replaced by N letter. So N means this Repa only.
Refa only.
Then plus the. So what you get now?
Atrakta.
Brad.
Pratraktra.
It is Brad. Then Bratrukta. Bratru plus Ukta. Bratrukta. Okay.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So like that you
Yes,
do it
Swamiji.
for all the examples. How is that you will not understand?
No, I did it, but I did like a Bhatru.
Okay. Now continue. Dadi plus Ashana.
Dadi plus Ashana.
Tell me what is the last
Yana Sandhi. This is E.
Purva Padam ending with
A. So the Dyashan. The Dyashan.
and the Parapadam beginning with
A.
So-
So E replaced by Ya. I.
what is E? I'm going step by step. What is E?
E is a ik
Ik letter. That's what I want. E is
letter.
ik letter.
Yes.
Followed by
letter.
what letter?
Followed by a
Which is
asavarana a. So
Savarna H. Okay. So therefore E will be replaced by
by ya.
Yakara.
I. Yakara.
Yakara.
So
E is
half
replaced by Yakara, which is the N letter. So
N
Yakara plus A plus Shana. So what you get?
So Dadyashana.
The Dya,
Shana.
right?
Yes.
Okay. The next person, Priyaji. Can you all see my screen?
Yes.
I can't.
Then the next one. 1 minute. Okay, copy paste. Yes, next one. Priyaji, you can do.
Parama plus Upakaraka.
What is the last letter of the Purvapada?
Akara.
What is the first letter of the Parapada?
O. Ukara. O. Sir.
So, what is the letter, this I is A only. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Followed by
Okay. Followed by ak letter.
think and tell what the followed by. The list of rules.
This is Gunasandhi, right?
Yes, therefore followed by what?
So, when A is followed by dissimilar ak,
Okay, this similar I should have given within bracket as ik letter. Okay.
yeah, ik.
Yes. You can say either dissimilar asavarana ak or you can say ik. Both are okay.
Ik. Okay.
So what will happen now? A plus O.
It will be replaced by O.
Why O? Why not A?
Because of the place of pronunciations.
Because of the Ucharana sthan. Yes. So A plus O will be replaced by
Paramo. Paramo.
it is Paramo plus Pakara.
Pakara.
Pakaraka. So what is the answer you get?
Paramo. Pakara.
Paramo Pakaraka.
Para.
Pakara only. Pakaraka. Okay. Parama Upakara.
Yeah.
Paramo Pakara. Right?
Yes.
When you split also, you have to see Paramo Pakara. When you see O, you have to Parama, you have to see as a word. And there is no Pakara. O is there.
Upakara.
Therefore, O must be Upakara. Upakara is help. Helping the people, reaching out to people. Upakara. So Paramo Pakara. That is how we have to see. Next one. Priyaji, you can do.
Yes, Sri. HO plus.
The rule itself is given as a Sandhi exercise.
Okay. HO plus Ayavayavaha.
I can tell
Here.
you, Ayava Yavaha is a Padam. That much I can say.
Oh, okay. Then this will be Purva Eng.
What is the last letter of the first Padam?
Oh,
And the first letter of the following Padam.
Akara.
So
A
that-
letter, sir.
Akara is okay. Akara is fine. Then O plus A. What Sandhi is that?
So this will be Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Why not Ayadi Sandhi?
Because we have the Padam, Ayavayava. So,
If Ayava Yava is a Padam, therefore HO must be a,
Padam.
therefore O is a,
O is the Eng letter.
HO is a Padam, therefore O is
O is
Padanta Eng.
the
You have to say Eng
Eng.
is
Oh,
fine.
Padanta Eng. Okay,
Padanta
Padanta
Eng.
Eng.
I want to extract that word from your mouth. Padanta Eng
Okay.
you have to say.
Okay.
Otherwise, Yang means what? Yang is also a subset of H only. Why don't you apply Ayadi something? To say Padanta Yang,
Yes.
the condition is ending letter must, ending letter must be a Yang. That
Okay.
Padanta Yang.
Okay.
So O plus A, what's Sandhi now?
Purva Rupa Sandhi.
So O is a Purva letter which replaces both.
Yes.
So O plus A is O only. O plus A is
Okay.
O.
H.
What
H.
happened? The A is gone.
Avagraha.
Avagaha is
Yava.
not a letter. Even without Avagaha,
Yeah.
you must understand it is okay. Even it is right. Avagaha is only for our understanding. It is given. Even without it is okay only. H-O Yava Yavaha.
Yes.
Right. Next person. Kausalya. K plus Api.
A plus
No, you answer. This follows it. What is the last letter of the Purva Shabda?
A.
What is the first letter of the following Shabda?
Uh,
Now, Api is what?
it's a Padam.
Very good. Therefore, K must be.
Padam.
Have you heard this K anywhere?
Yes.
Where?
Kaha Kauke.
Yes, Kaha K. So K is a Padam. Therefore, what is this A letter?
Ing. Padanta Ing.
That's what Padanta Eng, followed by
Rasvaha.
Rasva Avarna. akara.
Avarna.
Therefore, what will happen to a plus a?
Purva Rupa.
So a plus a will be replaced by a.
A.
So Sakara plus a plus b. So what you get now?
AP.
A and Avagraha, that a
Avagraha.
is not shown AP. Right?
Yes.
So Pura Rupa Sandhi, Apavada to Ayadi Sandhi. The next one, that's a simple, very simple one. Ka plus Api. Ka plus Api, what Sandhi is that?
Dirgha Sandhi. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Kapi. A.
Followed by?
A.
So A plus A. What is the connection? What is the relationship between these two? A plus A.
Ach followed by Savarna Ach.
Savarna. Therefore, A plus A will become?
Ka.
Both will be replaced by corresponding.
Dirgha A.
So therefore, it will be?
Kapi.
Kapi. Here also, Avagarha can be shown like this. Understand? Can show Ka plus P. Here, Ka plus P, Ka A is there. This A is not seen. That is, I'm showing it by this Avagarha. Understand?
Yes, yes, good.
Next person, Rajaji. Tanu plus Angi. You, like that, the same step you can tell me. What is the last letter? What is the following?
Yeah, Guruji. So, Guruji, this is Yan Sandhi.
Ji, a small doubt.
Yes.
Ji, Ka plus Api, because it is Padanta Eng only, it will be applied for Ka plus Api. How it is possible for Avagraha?
How is it possible? What is Avagraha? He said Avagraha is equal to A only. It has nothing to do with Padanta Rupa or anything. Avagraha is equal to A. Okay. Whether it is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi or Purva Rupa Sandhi, wherever that Avagraha, that A is elided, that elision of A is shown by this symbol. That's all. Even without that, it is okay. That's why I said it is not a.
Because rule is Padanta Eng, for that purpose I am asking you.
Padanta Eng?
Padanta Eng, if there is only Padanta Eng plus Hrasva A, then only Purva Rupa Sandhi is applied.
Yes.
So here it is A.
Okay.
So Eng is not there. A and O is not there. How it will be coming? That is my doubt.
Padanta Eng is not there. Therefore, what is the question? I didn't get you.
So Padanta Eng is not there. So Avagraha is not possible.
Avagraha has no connection with Purva Rupa Sandhi or Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Avagraha is equal to A only. Wherever whichever Sandhi, by whichever Sandhi A is elided, you can write like this. Nothing. This is a common notation. Okay.
Okay.
It's not restricted to only any particular vidhi.
Okay, Ji. Thank you, Ji. Thank you.
So, but Guruji, this should be like Dirgha Sandhina. Ka plus Api is going to become Dirgha Sandhina.
Yes, Dirgha Sandhi only. That's what we have done.
Oh, okay.
Yes. It's Dirgha Sandhi only. There is no doubt about the Sandhi.
Okay.
I am writing this Akara, disappearance of Akara by this symbol. That's all.
Okay.
That symbol should not cause any confusion. If it causes confusion, you can remove it. No problem.
Okay.
Guruji?
Yes.
Sorry, coming back to the same point. Avagraha is only for Hrasva A or Dirgha A?
If it is Dirgha A, you add one more. That's all.
Okay. So one single Avagraha means one Hrasva Akara.
Yes. See,
Thank you.
Avagraha is not the Saṃskṛtam. Okay, don't worry about it. It is by the printer, the publisher. It is given for the sake of the reader. For the sake of people like us, beginners, he has given. That's all. Okay.
Thank you, Guruji.
It has got no other importance. It is only for the sake of the readers it is given. So that we will, when we do the Sandhi Vicheda, we recognize the Akara, the missing Akara. Akara is not missing. It is not a typo. By Sandhi rule, it has gone. It is not seen. Okay. Fine. Rajkumar, you can read.
Yeah.
Kanu plus Angi. No.
Yeah, Tanu plus Angi. So this is N Sandhi, Guruji.
Okay.
The rule is
What is
Ik
the
followed by Ach.
What is the last letter of the first one?
Last letter of the Purvapadam is Nakara plus U.
Ukara. You have to say Ukara. Then followed by
Followed by
okay. Rasvakara.
Ak, whatever. Ach.
So what is U in our context?
So U is Ik.
Yes. Ik letter followed by
Ach.
Okay. Ik is followed by Ach. Asavarna Ach.
Then it will get replaced by Vakara.
Vakara will be replaced by Vakara.
So Vakara plus Va. So
Yes.
Tanvangi.
Yes. It becomes Tanvangi. So you in the beginning you write like this because that will help you. So in the beginning you need to write it. For those who are difficult things, you can write like this. I thought you all can follow. That is why I didn't write like this. I just took it for granted. We all know, but I think I should write down. Next one, you can continue.
Yeah, this is Stri plus Utsavaha.
Last letter of the Purva Padam. Purva, what is?
3, so it's Ikara, Ik.
Ikara, you have to say Ikara. E.
Okay. Ikara.
Followed by
Ach, so U letter.
Okay. Followed by Asavarna Ach.
Followed by Asavarna Ach, yeah.
If it is E plus E, it's a problem, right?
If it is E plus E, yeah, it will become Swarasandhi.
It will become Dida Sandhi.
Swarasandhi.
So E plus U. Now what
E
is
plus E is Ik, so Ik followed by Ach. E will be replaced by
Asavarna Ach. Therefore,
yeah.
E will be replaced by
Yakara.
Be replaced by Yakara. Yakara plus U.
Yakara plus U. So the result will be Striyutsava.
Yes. So it becomes
Striyutsava.
Right. Okay, next person. Jyoti.
Yes, Guruji. This
I want you to say the steps like that, whatever I did, same way. Okay. Please don't
okay.
This one by one, step by step.
Okay, Guruji. So ko plus api. So first letter ending with O.
Good.
Kakara plus O, and second word beginning with a. So O plus a, it becomes Padanta O. So it is Purva Rupa Sandhi Kopi. Ko
Yes.
Avagraha Pi.
Padanta O is Padanta Yang. Padanta Yang followed by Padam, beginning with A, Tasva Akara. Therefore, Purva Rupa Sandhi. Okay. So O plus A will be
Avagra, Ko Avagra Pi.
O plus A is O.
O plus A is O, yes.
Purva Rupa Sandhi. O plus A plus P. So you get Kopi. Avagraha can be written Kopi. Right? Ka plus a P, Kapi. Savana Dirgha. Ko plus a P, Kopi. Purva Rupa. Okay, the next one.
Is Svacha plus Udaka.
What is the last letter of the Purva Padam?
Akara.
Akara. First letter
Akara
following
followed by Ukara.
So A plus U, they are in contact.
It becomes Guna Sandhi.
What is the condition? What is the rule for Guna Sandhi? What is the rule?
H is
H? Where is H in Guna Sandhi?
No, it is not H. It is.
No, I'm asking you the rule for Guna Sandhi.
Yes, Guruji. When A or A is followed by By ik.
Ik letter.
Then it is replaced by the corresponding guna letter.
Yes. What is the corresponding guna letter?
So it is.
What are the guna letters?
A, O.
A.
Ar, al.
Ar also. Okay. So what is the guna letter? Here, A plus O will be replaced by
O.
O.
Svachodak.
Why you are selecting O? Why not A?
Well, it is the place of pronunciation. A plus E becomes A and A plus U becomes O.
Yes. It is Oshta. Therefore, Kanta Oshta. So A plus U, then Daka. Right? So what is form now?
Svachodaka.
Svachodaka. Svacha plus Udaka. Svachodaka. Clean water. Svacha Udaka. Next person, Girjaji. O plus Ana.
Yes, Guruji. Bho plus Ana. Bha plus O plus
Kara plus Ba. Kara.
Yeah.
Otherwise, Ba plus O, what will happen? A plus O.
Yeah.
Ba, A plus O will become again Guna Sandhi.
Yeah. Bha plus
Bakara plus O.
Bhakara plus O
Plus
plus A and Na. O and Ana, I'm presuming Ana, I'm presuming is a word. If it is Ana, then it will
what
become.
is my word? The problem with English is word means the Padam is also a word. Shabda is also a word.
I mean, I'm trying to work out this Purva Padasandhi where Padanta Yang followed by short vowel A.
Ana is not
Both
a Padam.
Ana is not a Padam, then it becomes Ayadi Sandhi. In this case, H letter, that is A, O, I, O, followed by Ach. Then H will be replaced by Ayava, Yava. So in this case, Bakara plus O is, O means, O will be replaced by Ava.
Av, not Ava.
Av. So it becomes.
If you supply the vowel, then it becomes different, totally different. Okay. It is Av only, not Ava.
Bhavan. It becomes Bhavan.
It becomes
Bhavana. Bhavana.
Bhavana. That's what the word is.
Yeah, it is the Ayadi Sandhi.
Yeah, this one. Next one. It is not Purva Rupa Sandhi because Ana is not a Padam.
Okay. Thank you.
Then here now.
Au, Balau plus Atra.
What is the last letter?
Au, which is an H letter, plus Atra. Atra is a word, so I will go with the Purva Rupa Sandhi.
Okay.
No, sorry, it can't be Au because it is not H, it is Eng for Purva Rupa. Here it is H letter, so again
it is
this
not
is also Ayadi Sandhi.
Au is not a Yang letter. Yang is A.
Yeah,
Therefore, it cannot apply Purva Rupa Sandhi. Right?
Yeah, it's an H letter, so it has to be Ayadi Sandhi.
Yes. Here you don't have choice. You have to apply only Ayadi Sandhi only.
Au is replaced by Av.
So
Bala
Au is replaced by?
Bala Vatra.
Au is replaced by Av. Okay.
Au is replaced by.
Okay. So you get now.
Lakara becomes Bala. Plus Vakara and A becomes Va. Bala Vatra.
What is Atra?
Atra here.
It's a Padam or not?
It's a Padam.
Therefore, Balo must be.
Atra.
Balo is?
Balo is the plural of Balak. Balakaha.
It's plural.
Balo. Oh, sorry.
Start from Nama Shabda.
No, sorry. No. Bala.
Not a difficult one.
Guruji, some vibhaktis are not really that great, but
Need not be great. You have to be simple.
Bahvachana. Dvivachana.
Dvivachanam. How is Dvivachanam? Yeah.
Like what Shabda?
It is Bala Shabdaha. Balakaha.
No.
Balaka Shabda.
That is from Balaka. Balaka. Where is Ka?
Bala. Bala.
Ramaha,
Bala.
Ramav, Ramaha.
Bala. Bala Shabda.
Bala Shabda, not Bala
Bala.
Shabda. Bala.
Bala Shabda. Bala
Balaka,
is
Balau. Right?
Vivachanam could be Pradama Vibhakti or Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yes. So it's a, what is that? It's a Padam or not?
It is a Padam.
If it is a Padam, Balau always replaced by Av. What is Balav now?
Bala.
Balav plus Atra and taking this part alone. Balav, it is Balav, sorry, Balav plus Atra. Okay. Now, what is Atra? Padam or not?
It's a Padam. Yeah.
What about Balav? Is a Padam or not?
So if we apply the exception
Padam or
rule,
not? It's a Padam or
it is a
not?
Padam. Yes,
It's
it is a Padam.
What is this here? Vakara.
Vakara can go into hiding with the exception rule.
What is Vakara? Padanta Vakara. You have to see
Padanta.
Vakara
Sorry.
as Padanta Vakara.
Yeah,
For that, you have
Padanta.
to see the word as a Padam first.
Yep.
Why
Yep.
I
It
asked
is a
all
Padam.
these questions. Okay.
Yep.
What is
Yep.
Balo and all? How do you know Balo is a Padam? Because Atra is a Padam. Therefore, this must be a Padam. Balo must be a Padam. Now, Balo is replaced by Vakara. Vakara must be a Padanta Vakara. Right?
Yes.
And Vakara is preceded by
Akara.
Avarna.
Rasva. Avarna. Okay.
Need not be Rasva. It could be anything. I said Avarna only. See, check the rule. Special optional rule. Vakanta Yakara Vakara preceded by Avarna.
Followed by ash letter.
Rasva Akara or Dirgha Akara.
Preceded by Ara. Yep.
Followed by what?
Ash letter.
Followed by ash letter. What are ash letter? All the vowels and consonants.
Semi vowels. Fifth, fourth, and third letters.
All the vowels and the sibilant Hakara and semi vowels and the soft consonants. So therefore, what will happen to Vakara now?
It will disappear optionally.
So therefore, Bala, then
Avagraha.
why Avagraha?
No Avagraha. Bala plus Atra.
That's all.
With
Why
a space.
Avagraha? Avagraha,
Sorry,
where is Akara is not.
Bala and space Atra.
Yes. Can you do the Sandhi again? Bala plus Atra.
We can't because there is a hidden Va there, Vakara there.
Yeah, if you try to do Vakara will pop up. I'm there. Right? So we have got two forms. Bala Vatra is one form. And
Bala Atra.
Bala Vatra is another form. Right?
Yep. Yes, Guruji.
This is important. Then the next person.
Thank you.
I hope it must be clear now. You have done a lot of homework. I've done a lot of homework for you in the class itself. Right? It must be clear now, Sandhi. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji. We need this kind of drilling, Guruji, at the beginning stages. Then in the future, we will never falter.
But I'm good at drilling also.
Thanks for that.
It's okay, Guruji.
Okay, please do it. Next person, Lata Sundaram. Deveshu plus Rasit. You follow the same steps.
Devesh plus U
Then?
plus A.
Okay. See. Now, what is the Ukara?
Ukara is Ik.
Ik letter. Very good. Followed by?
A. Avarna. Avarna. A.
Not Avarna. Asavarna.
Asavarna.
Avarna means similar. Asavarna means dissimilar. Avarna means the letters A and A. It's called Avarna.
Okay. So it is Yend Sandhi.
Therefore, Yend Sandhi rule says
Ya, Ra, La, Va. So this is Yava. So this is Va.
So what happens now?
So who will become if?
Who is become?
Sorry, end sandhi.
Yes, right only. Tell me.
If plus ha.
If, what is if? You mean to say if?
No, not if. Sorry. Va only. Va plus ha.
You mean to say
Va.
va?
Yeah.
This letter?
No, end letters are ya, va, ra, la. So here it is vu. So it should be Devesh Vasit.
Who is replaced by va? Is it correct or not?
Yeah, it's correct.
If it is va, va is the combination of this letter plus a. So a plus a will not become dirgha sandhi.
Okay, yeah. It is pure consonant. If plus.
You have to say. That's what I want. You should not say va.
Plus.
You should not say va then. You should not say if also. All these things in the very basic class itself we have seen in the akshara.
No, it's the va stoke under it. That is.
What is that called?
Pure consonant.
It is called vakara.
Okay, vakara.
Call it as vakara. Okay. So that you should not pronounce this as if. It is wrong. Completely wrong. Okay. Number one.
Okay.
If means you are adding the vowel e to before the consonant. That is not correct. And to say it as a y is also not correct because you are adding the vowel after that letter.
So
without vowel, consonants cannot be pronounced. Then you need to address it by adding the suffix kara. This is what we have seen before. Remember?
Okay.
You have to call it as vakara.
Vakara.
This is not correct and y is also not correct. Okay, vakara. If you say you, it's a problem. You will get a different combination. If you say va, that also will become a different combination. Va means a plus a becomes savana dirgha. Same problem. Is pure consonant. It is vakara, right?
Yeah.
Now what will happen? So
Devesh Vasit.
It is replaced by n letter, corresponding n letter. You have to say who is ik letter, followed by asavarna aj. Ik letter replaced by n letter. You have to say like that.
Okay. So Devesh Vasit. Devesh Vasit.
Yeah. Devesh Vasit. Okay. The next one.
Manu plus Adi. Man plus who plus a.
Okay.
Di.
Plus who plus adi.
Yeah. Who is ik and asavarna a.
Therefore.
So it will become vakara plus a.
Adi.
So
therefore, what is it?
Manvadi.
Manvadi. Good. Next person. Surendraji. She plus Anna.
She plus an. Anna. Yeah, it will be.
To say it properly, it is Anna.
It will be A plus A. The Purvarupasandhi sandhi will be applicable.
Purvarupasandhi.
Yeah.
How do you know Purvarupasandhi?
Because H, the Padande A followed by is A.
This is a padam.
No.
No, not a padam.
It's a padam. If it's a padam, then what is a pradipadikam? How do you decline? Or if it's a padam, she is a padam, what is the meaning of she?
Otherwise, it will be Ayadi Sandhi will be applicable.
So you don't take for granted it is a padam. You have to see whether it is a padam or not first.
Okay. So it will be.
You don't know, you have to ask whether it's a padam or not. You have to see the shabdas, whether this falls within the shabda, what you know. If it doesn't fall, then you ask, it's a padam or not? It's not a padam. Therefore, you cannot apply Purvarupasandhi.
Okay.
So A plus A. Now what's the
Huh? A plus A become I. So Shayan.
Becomes?
A plus A become I becomes Shayan.
A plus R will not become I. Please think and tell.
A plus.
Small mistake is there. Small mistake also makes a big difference when you do something.
A plus I is I, no?
What is the stani here? A plus R. What is the stani?
A.
Therefore, what is the adesha?
It will become ya, no?
No. A is a stani is correct. You tell me the adesha.
I.
Yes. I. Then you say I plus.
I plus R.
That is what you have to say. Not A plus I is I.
Achha,
You
I
cannot
plus.
replace both A plus R by I. If you do that, it's a problem.
Achha, A will become I. I plus
A
R.
alone becomes I. If you say A plus R becomes I, then it becomes Shaina. It's not Shaina. It is Shayana.
Shayana.
So A plus I is not I. A is replaced by I. A is the stani. And stani is replaced by the corresponding adesha I. And therefore I followed by I plus A becomes Aya.
Aya.
And only you get the form. Otherwise you get the wrong form. Okay. Understand?
Okay.
Then next one.
Go plus UD. Here O plus A.
Okay. What happens? O plus A.
O plus A again. The Purvarubi Sandhi can come.
Oh, sorry. O plus UT not required. Oh, Purvarupa Sandhi. Okay, fine. You said how it is. Tell me. What is the condition for Purvarupa Sandhi?
O plus A. Go UT means padam, no?
Okay, you assume it as a padam. Anyway, it's not a padam. Okay, fine. Even if it is a padam, what will happen?
It will become go plus O plus A. The A will become Visarga.
A will become Visarga.
Avagraha. It will become Avagraha. That will become Gayudi.
Where is A? You tell me. Where is Akara? Where is Akara?
No, it is no. There is no Akara plus. Sorry, it is O plus
How
U.
you say Avagraha?
Yeah, it is O plus U. It will become Avu.
It becomes how? How does it become how? O plus Yakara. What rule is it? Is there any rule we have seen O plus Yakara?
O plus Au become Avu, no?
You tell me how.
O plus U.
Where is O plus U? Where is Ukara? Where is Ukara?
Sakara.
See, I have written very clearly. Sakara plus O plus Yakara plus Uti.
It is O plus A.
Come on. Where is A? Tell me. You are saying something which is not there. And it is very clearly given in the screen also. You see what it is. Go plus UT. Simple. This is a tricky thing, but tricky you must know. But you cannot supply what you mean like. There is no go. There is no that Akara and all. O plus Yakara. This possibility is not covered in any sandhi, so you cannot do it any sandhi. Okay, leave it. That's what the answer is. You're trying to join that which cannot be joined by the known rules. Whatever rules you know.
Yes.
Clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Even to negate that, you must know the existing rules, the known rules we have seen. Even to see this is wrong, you must know the rules what we have seen already. Atato dharma jignasa, atato adharma jignasa, like that only. You should know what is dharma, what is adharma. Similarly, you should know the rules, you should know what it is not also. Even the wrong ashuddha also you have to find out. It is not possible. It doesn't come under the scope of any of the rules we have seen. Maybe outside the rules that we have not seen. So don't worry, leave this. Understand? You are trying to apply the rules, available rules. It can't be applied here. Understand? We're trying to put the thing into a pocket, a packet which cannot fit into it. Doesn't matter. This doesn't work at this. There is no rule we have not seen. Don't worry about it. But you should be able to see that and say. That is what expected in that. Anyway, leave that. Okay. O plus yakara is, how do you say it's akara? There is no followed by any consonant. So far, we have not seen any rule where it is followed by consonant. Have you seen any rule followed by consonant following?
No.
Then why it is up? It should be bothered. We are not seen. Doesn't apply any of the rules. What we see. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. The next one you can do.
Vane plus asmin. This is Purvarabhuta Sandhi will be applicable because Vana is the both of it's a padam.
How do you know it's a padam?
Vana means forest, no?
Oh, the meaning makes it padam or what? The meaning of the word, does it make it a padam? If meaning makes a padam, then everything is a padam only. Meaning doesn't make anything a padam. Padam is that which is declinable. If meaning makes padam, swacha is a padam or not? Swacha means clean. Udaka means water. It is not a padam. Swacha
Here is padam is declinable.
Padam is not declinable. Padam is it is declined. That's called padam. That which is declined from the pratipadikam is called padam. Vane is that. Vane is Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam or Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam or Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Vana is a pratipadikam, from that you derive the padam Vane. That is how we have to see. Not Vana means forest, therefore it's a padam, it's not correct.
Vana is, yeah.
Vana is a pratipadikam. You have to decline the pratipadikam to make it into a padam. When you decline Vane, three places it occurs. Therefore it is a padam. Okay, what about Asmin? That is a padam.
So
Vane is a padam, it's a known word.
Second
Asmin is padam. So now, tell me, A plus A.
A plus means vanosmin.
There is no O. Please don't supply any word which is, any letter which is not there. Vana plus...
Vanesmin. Vanesmin.
What happens to...
A plus avagraha.
A plus A.
Vane, A will become, A will disappear, Vanesmin.
A plus A will be A Asmin. So this is Akara plus A, Vanesmin. And Akara which is elided is shown by this Vanesmin. Clear?
Yes, Guruji.
Okay. Next person. Pramila.
Yes, Guruji.
Ashyakara plus Ishti.
Yeah, Guruji. After Surendran is Shruti, Guruji.
Shruti. Oh, sorry. I jumped.
Oh.
Yeah, please tell me.
Yeah, it's Bhashyakara plus Isti. It's Gunasandhi.
What is the last letter?
A Bhashyakara A. A is followed by Ik. So that the Ayadi is gonna be A. So Bhashyakara
Ayadi.
Sorry, Adesha. Adesha will be A. So it's
Adesha
going to be
A,
Bash.
it is Stani here.
Stani A and E both replaced by
Purva and Para.
Purva and Para.
Para, technically you can say Purva Para is Stani. Adesha is
which is replaced by Stani, that is called Adesha.
which is that which is replaced is Stani, that which
A.
replaces is Adesha. What is the Adesha? A plus E.
A.
A plus E is A. A
A.
plus
Sti.
D. So now
Bhashyakareshti.
Bhashyakareshti. Right?
Yes, Guruji.
So
Tato plus Anyatra Padanta ink is followed by Hrasva A.
how do you know
So it's Tat, it's Padam.
that is a Padam?
No. It's Saha Taute, like that is what it is called. Vibhakti.
Okay, where is Tato? What Vibhakti Tato then? What Vibhakti, what Vachanam?
Saha Taute. Tatto. No. Tat plus O.
That plus O, okay. But you are saying Tato is a Padam. I'm asking you, what Vibhakti, what Vachanam?
No. Tato, no, we don't have Tato in Tat Shabda.
It's a Tat Shabda.
Oh yes, but it's for seeing it's like Tat. It's I thought it's
It has no connection with Tat.
Oh, okay.
It has no
Yeah,
connection
there is
with
no.
Tad Shabda. Tad meaning
Then,
that. Whereas Tato means
Tato.
Therefore, it is avyayam, indeclinable. That which is indeclinable is a padam. Okay.
Okay, Guruji.
Like the words cha, api. Cha means and. Api also. All these are avyaya padam. These are padams only, but not declinable. Not declinable means the forms will be same in all the vibhakti. Suppose cha is how do you decline cha? Akarantaha, not linga. They don't have any linga. Akarantaha cha shabdaha. How do you decline cha? Cha cha cha, 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 echa, echa, echa. Depends on the form is same throughout, right? That is called indeclinable avyaya. Vyaya means that which can change. Avyaya is that which cannot change. Like Atma, it cannot change. Called avyaya.
Okay.
Therefore, its form is same throughout all the vibhakti and vachanam. That's called avyaya. So, tataha meaning is therefore, tasmat.
Tato.
Or after that. Okay, it is nothing.
Okay, Guruji. So then it's going to be ayadis.
Anyatra, if you know, anyatra means somewhere else. That is also avyaya.
Oh yeah.
That is also like atra, tatra,
anyatra,
putra, sarvatra,
tatra,
anyatra, avyaya, padam. So now two padams have come together, right?
Yes.
And the purva padam is tat plus
tat. Purva padam. Now it's not padam, is it? Tato.
It's not a padam. Why not padam? Tato is a padam. I'm just splitting the word. Tat plus.
Oh, okay. Tat plus anyat. Tat plus O plus anyatra.
Tat plus O plus
A plus nyatra. So O and A.
O plus A. What is this O is? Padanta ing that you have to see.
Padanta ing. Yes.
You see the
Padanta ing.
What we know. You have to see the Okara
Padanta
ing.
The ing plus Hrasva A.
No, then.
So it's going to be O. It is replaced by Purva. So O.
It is replaced by O.
Yes.
Which is replaced?
O plus A.
Purva and Para will be replaced by the Purva.
By Purva. Purva Pada.
Then.
And Nyatra. And O we can write it with Avyag. Avagraha.
O cannot
So
be written.
tat plus.
O have to be written as it is. Tato.
Oh, okay. Tato plus tatonyatra.
That akara which has gone can be written like this.
Yes, yes. Correct.
Tatonyatra.
Tatonyatra.
Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then
The
next
last
person.
one.
Lataji, Lataji Babu. A few more examples are there. We will complete and then we can stop the class. It takes some time. I hope it's okay for you. Na plus upalabdhihi. Tell me the.
Nakara plus A.
Very good.
And next is Ukara.
Yes.
When A is followed by Ik.
Avarna followed by, okay. Ik letter. So what sandhi is A plus U?
Avarna is followed by Ik in this Guna sandhi.
Yes. So what is Guna letter?
Both letters will be replaced by O.
O. So therefore.
Nopalabdhi.
Nopalabdhi. Nopalabdhi. Right? Good.
Nopalabdhi.
Next one. I think we have done all the examples in the lesson. All the lesson examples we have done. So now only Sandhi Vicheda is. I'm copying, pasting from the book only. So, the book what I said.
Okay.
From that only. Now we can do splitting. Yes, you can split now.
Parikshotsavaha.
Yes.
It will be Pariksha plus Utsava.
Okay, very good. Pariksha plus
Utsava.
What Sandhi is it?
It is a Guna sandhi.
Guna Sandhi. How do you know it's a Guna Sandhi? What gives you the hint?
That
O, the letter
O. Replacement is O.
The letter O tells you it's a combination of Akara and
Akara and Ukara.
Okay, next person. Pramila. Charvangi. It's a very good example. You have to find out what Sandhi is. First you have to split. How do you split?
Charu plus Angi.
Charu plus Angi.
Yan Sandhi ji.
Charu
plus Angi. Yan Sandhi.
Okay, how do you know it's Yan Sandhi? What is?
It is R.
It is U.
Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. You are saying in the Repa. Okay.
Yes, ji. So because it is Char Vangi.
Okay, Repa is the preceding. That doesn't play any role in Sandhi. Okay, Char is different. So it is U only. The Vakara only tells you. Vakara here, that only tells the Yan Sandhi.
And it is U.
Okay, Charu U
plus A. That is Ik plus Asavarna Aj.
Yes, it becomes Charu.
Charu Vangi. Next is Sada Charo.
Charu means speed. Charu Vaka and all is the materialistic philosophy, Darshana.
Charu Vaka, yes.
The word Charu you must know. So Charu plus Vangi. Cha plus Arvangi, there is no word Arvangi. Even though Cha is Arvangi and all, it is not there. So you cannot split it. Charu plus Angi. For this, you must know the word Charu. Then only you can split this. Anyway, next one.
Next is Sadacharopadeshaha.
Yes.
Sadachari plus Upadeshaha.
Sadachari. Okay, if it is Sadachari, then what will happen? Chari. E plus Upadesha. E plus U. If it is E plus U, what Sandhi is it? It becomes Yan Sandhi, right?
Yes, ji.
But it is not Yan Sandhi. If it is Yan Sandhi, Sadachar Upadeshaha it will be. But Sadacharopadeshaha is there. O is there. Therefore, it is not Sadachari. What is that? O has come.
Yes, ji.
O is the Adesha. O, what is O letter? O is Guna letter.
Guna Sandhi.
Therefore, what Sandhi is that? Yan Sandhi or Guna Sandhi?
Is
Simple. Upadeshaha, who you said, and
Ji.
something here it is there. That plus O is becomes O. What is that letter now? If it is Gunasandhi, I said, it's simple. You know the Gunasandhi rule, can tell the letter. What letter is it?
It is Gunasandhi A plus ik.
Yeah, that's what it is.
It is Sadachara.
Sadachara only it is, not Sadachari.
Oh, it is Sadachara. Okay, ji. Sadachara plus Ubadeshaha. So it is Gunasandhi.
A plus 2. Right?
Next is Saraswati. Saraswati plus iti. It is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Yes, it is E plus E. Saraswati T.
Next is Yadarthaha.
So this we can do. We can stop here.
So you can complete Yadarthaha.
What is that?
It is also same. Yadarthaha. Yata plus Arthaha. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Read again. What is that?
Yadarthaha.
It is not Yada. It is Yatharthaha.
Yatharthaha.
Mahaprana Dantyatthara.
Sorry.
Yatharthaha.
Yatharthaha.
Tamil influence varama paathukonum.
Sorry. Yatha plus Arthaha.
Yatha plus Arthaha.
Arthaha. It is Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
Okay. I think we can stop here.
Okay, ji.
30 now.
Okay.
I don't have problem. I have exceeded your time. You may have your work. So we can stop here. Please work on this Sandhi. I think we have done a lot of exercise in the class also. I'll explain again.
Now we can take Gita and we can try to do this.
In fact, Gita class, I do the same thing. In Gita, I ask you what
Okay.
Sandhi is that. We have already done this Sandhi. In fact, I asked this. Gita, you can take and do. Only Achandi you would be able to do.
Okay.
Gita. But you can wait for some more time. But some more time means it is some more time only, really. After we see some more Sandhis, then we can, that is Hal Sandhi, Sarga Sandhi and all. Then we can take up Gita and do. Even now also we can do. We can do all the
Even in today's Kathopanishad class, we had that Sandhi, Achsandhi, it was there.
Yes.
Manase Veda Maptavyam.
Yeah, Manasa.
Manasa plus Eva plus Idam plus Aptavyam.
Yeah, many places it came.
Vriddhi Sandhi, Guna Sandhi, it was there.
So you can do. For Gita itself, we can take and do, and after some time, we complete Hal Sandhi. A little of Hal Sandhi we cover, and Visarga Sandhi. But Achsandhi must be clear. Okay.
Yeah.
This must be.
Guruji.
You must be familiar with the technical terms what I use. Okay, this file, if anybody wants to tell me, otherwise I will not save this, I will delete this. If you want, I will send you. If you don't want, I will just remove this. You
Sure, don't want.
Very good, okay.
Guruji, just one doubt, Guruji.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute, Rajaji.
Yeah.
You want this file or not? I will not say this.
Yes, we want Guruji. Maybe sometime we will.
Okay, I'll send you this as it is.
Okay, Guruji.
Yeah. Yes, Rajkumar.
Guruji, this Saraswati iti, that word, can we not split it as Sarasu plus Aditi?
What is Sarasu?
I'm just asking.
You cannot split as Sarasu must be the meaning. Sarasu is in Tamil also Sarasu means Saraswati only. It's lovingly called Sarasu.
Okay.
Right? There is no Sarasu. Sarasu is there. Narasu coffee is there, but not Sarasu.
Okay. Okay.
Anyway, there is no word Sarasu.
Okay.
There is no word Sarasu, therefore you cannot split. See, when you split, it should be meaningful.
Okay.
Okay. If it is Sarasu, Sarasu plus Ati.
Aditi.
What is Aditi? Okay, even if you say Sarasu plus Ati plus Iti, but it doesn't. See, you can split, but it should be meaningful, right?
Okay.
It should be meaningful. And Ati is Avyayam. Ati is Avyayam, Iti is Avyayam. Suppose you are splitting like that, I'm saying. But Sarasu, see, Sarasu plus Ati plus Ati. Ati is Avyayam, Avyayam means Padam. Iti is also a padam, but Sarasu is not a padam.
Okay.
Sarasu is Ukaranta Shabda. Suppose if is Sarasu, the word is there. So, a Shabda followed by a padam, it doesn't fit. Padam is there, other thing also must be a padam only. So it cannot be anything other. So that fitting is not correct.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyawad
Dhanyawad Guruji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.